In my video guide, I'll give you detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups by the site Allactualstoriescom. Allactualstoriescom. So this is the pop-up window attacking Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and other popular browsers. The pop-up tells that you need to click on the Allow button, supposedly to continue watching some movie. But in reality, whenever people agree with the proposal and click on Allow button, their browser gets immediately hijacked. So customers start facing a lot of advertisements in the right bottom part of their Windows computer screen. There are many people who currently experience such problems with unwanted pop-ups. For example, my mother-in-law is experiencing such pop-ups on her screen, and there is a bunch of them and she doesn't know how to get rid of them. Obviously, that's very annoying when these ads just disturb you and prevent you from concentrating on things that are really important. So Allactualstoriescom website is just one of many other similar websites that display intrusive advertisements as web push notifications. But the problem is that the feature of push notifications may be decent. However, when we review sites like Allactualstoriescom, they are never decent because they instead try to redirect you to a lot of questionable resources in the internet. If you have mistakenly clicked on the Allow button displayed by the pop-up, you'll start getting forwarded to many questionable and even malicious websites. To fix the issue, go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now in the Permissions area, select Notifications and pay very careful attention to the bottom of the list that displays sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this malicious website, remove it from this list. And finally, I would also recommend you to research your computer additionally with the help of the program named Combo Cleaner Antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com in order to make sure that your system is free of any other traces of adware or malware or other threats. After you successfully download and install the software Combo Cleaner, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan type available. The premium version also gives you full system scan and custom scan. So you may click on Start Scan button and the program will begin the analysis of your Windows computer. You may get back and experiment with some preferences or settings of Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner works very well at protecting your computer against all contemporary kinds of threats, including ransomware. So the premium version gives you excellent protection against all current ransomware type infections. By the way, you may add a special folder that will protect your data in that folder. But again, that's the part of the premium version only. So while the quick scan is in progress, the program will give you the report about all kinds of infections that may be the part of your Windows computer right now. The scanning will take at least several minutes, I would say, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that are currently available on your Windows computer. So you simply need to wait a bit until the scanning is over to see the detailed report. Then, at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of threats. It will also give you the location of each specific threat and what it does with your computer. You may remove all these threats, however, by upgrading to the premium version of the program or by asking for a limited period of time of full trial key.